Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. Also, there's a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive. So if you have that bell on, you'll be notified right away. All right, today's the day that I got my last box from BoxyCharm. It is the base box. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I have two accounts. This is the second base box that I'm going to be unboxing on my account, and it will have the second choice item in here, and I was really excited to have an opportunity to try it. So I do open up my boxes prior to filming so that I could take a picture for Instagram. I can also check to make sure that everything that's in the box should be in the box, like the card, or if anything's damaged, and everything was perfect. So I want to definitely share that with you. I also found out that one of the items that in the box is an item that's a duplicate item, but not a duplicate item because of BoxyCharm. It's something that I already have in my stash. So it is a palette, and that will go into a future giveaway. So I want to share that with you guys too. All right, today I'm so excited to share that I do have a card with information on the other side, because as you know, with the Ipsies, we did get a card with no information on the inside. So not always getting a card means that you'll get the information too. So everything here is perfect. And this one is the variation 8 with a heart, and I have not seen anyone unbox this variation, so really excited to share this with you guys. All right, so the first item that's in here, and I'm always going to be looking down at the card so I can read you the little snippet that they give you with the price of the full retail that they have marked on the card. The first item is my choice item, and I am so excited to have the opportunity to try this. I have tried so many other items from GlamGlow, and none of them have disappointed me, so this is a new find for me, so I'm really excited to share it with you guys too. This is the GlamGlow Berry. It's a probiotic recovery mask, and this is what the item looks like here, and it says it is a creamy, nutrient dense, soothing mask with antioxidant rich berries and probiotics that instantly boost the skin's health, restore radiance, and balance its skin. And this is a $49 value in a $25 box. And it's funny, you know, I got the second box solely initially was to have the Luxe, which was on my regular account before I even had a channel. I had BoxyCharm and I upgraded to the Luxe. And then when I started the channel, I wanted to get the base box only during the months that we weren't getting the Luxe. And this is what it looks like inside here. And it was so exciting for me to be able to do that. So I wanted to make sure that I had the base box during the Luxe months, and then they started customization. So I kept the second box solely for the customization, because this is a $49 value in a $25 box. My other box, if you haven't had an opportunity to watch it, I did get the Elemis pads in there, which are fantastic too. So the customization alone pays for the second box. So I ended up keeping it, and it's ended up being a find. And as I said, majority of the items in here were not duplicates, so I'm really, really excited about that as well, so that I'll be able to share that with you guys. And this has a very, very light scent, which is nice, but it's a pleasant scent. So really, really excited to have the opportunity to try that. All right, the next item that we have on the card is the one that is the palette. And this is the one that I'm going to be giving in a giveaway. And I'm telling you, this is a fantastic, fantastic palette. It is from Violet Voss Essentials. It is a Pro Series. And I found it in my stash, and even through all my declutters and everything, this was a keeper. Violet Voss, for me, is a fantastic, fantastic palette. I will open her up. I'll show you right away the colors inside from the one that isn't all marked up yet, because mine is definitely loved, and I want to be able to show that to you guys. So, let me take the card. So that's what the shades are, but I will definitely be swatching those at the end of the video so that I can show you guys what I got. All right, so that is a $29 value in a $25 box, and what it simply says is the Essentials palette is a refreshing new take on the essential shades. It includes 10 full-size pans with warm and cool tones in breathtaking matte and metallic finishes, and that's a $29 value. The next item we got was from Pretty Vulgar, and I was happy to get this as well. This is an eyeshadow primer, and when I got introduced to eyeshadow primers, it was from Urban Decay, and they had the same type of little spout that comes out like this. I personally like the ones that come out with the wand, but when I got introduced to primers, it was this type of style product. So let's just read up on this, and then I will do a little swatch for you guys. So this one says it's an uncaged eyeshadow primer. It's a blendable, lightweight skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadow by making them vibrant and long wearing. It's infused with mineral rich clay to absorb excess oil, and it will deliver a crease proof, fade proof. It is a translucent finish that is suitable for all skin tones, and they're saying this is a $22 value. And I was so hooked on the Urban Decay for such a long time that it was only through getting other boxes and then trying some drugstore, now that I'm here in the US, that I started using the ones that came with the wand. And it actually has a little bit of a tint to it, which I didn't think it would. But I think that's fantastic. So it gives a subtle, so if some people have eyelids where they're very veiny and things like that, I think this will be nice, and it will have a little bit of a color on it to help with that discoloration. So excited to have the opportunity to try this. But like I said, I'm so used to the one now with the wand, but like I said, I started 100%. So what I do is I put a little bit on my finger, I dab it on, and then I take a clean concealer brush and I just make sure that it's smooth over the lid. The next item that I got, this is a duplicate item. This is the AYAM Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. These Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes will help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening your skin. They remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving your skin hydrated, and is designed for all skin types, including sensitive and dry. And this is a $17 product, and it's saying it even removes waterproof mascara. So this is a brand new brand for me, and I'm excited to give this a try. The expiration date on this is for 2023, so that's really good. All right, the next item that we received is from Gerard Cosmetics. And if you haven't had an opportunity, I did get a fantastic deal that introduced me to the Gerard Cosmetic line. It was the Slay Sprays, and it was a deal that was on Costco. So if you have an opportunity to watch that, you should. It was really, really exciting. So this one here is a pencil from them, and it is a lip pencil, and it is in the color Underground. And I'm so excited to be getting the Gerard products in here. This is a dark shade for the lips, but I guess if I'm wearing a darker color lipstick, this will be nice. I like wearing lip liners. That's just who I am. But I think I'm gonna look on their website if this is something that I can also use on my eyes. If any of you guys are familiar with Gerard Cosmetics, can you tell me down below if it's something that you can use on your lips or your eyes, or if you're familiar with this product at all, because like I said, I'm solely getting newly introduced to this product line. And that is a $16 value. And they're saying it is a lip liner of your dreams. It's creamy and pigmented, yet long lasting to help complete any lip look. And that's everything that I got in my box. So I'm really, really excited to be able to swatch the eyeshadow palette for you. Like I said, it's one that I use and enjoy. The one thing you have to know about Violet Voss, the whole front here has a beautiful mirror in it. I even have Violet Voss in the minis that I travel with. I really, really enjoy these products. The only thing is they are, I know a lot of people don't like when a lot of, when you dip your brush in, you can see you do get a little bit of what they call fallout, I guess. But I always do my makeup standing up, and there's always a sink because I'm so, I traveled a lot in my other life, and what ended up happening was when you go to hotel rooms, a lot of them had these mirrors that were magnifying mirrors that were on the bathroom wall. And so I got used to doing my makeup standing up. So when we built the houses, I always made sure to have a mirror on a wall that I bought that has that magnification on both sides, because that's how I was always comfortable doing my makeup. So it's always in the bathroom and it's always near a sink. So whenever I touch any of the eyeshadow palettes, I do a tap tap in the sink, and then I just wash the sink after I do all my makeup. So that's how I do it. So the fact that there's any fallout when you're dipping your brush in, it really is irrelevant to me, but I know some people don't like it, but for me, it doesn't bother me. All right, so the shades in this are beyond perfect. It really is a true essentials palette. You do have everything here. This is a great in the corner shimmer. You have your transition. You have the color that I absolutely love. For me, that I also use a little lower in my transition. They were out way before Fenty came out with their fantastic gold highlighter, and now I'm noticing it in so many palettes. This color green is just stunning. And then you have your bottom colors that are essentials. You have your blacks, your browns, your purples, another beautiful matte dusty rose. So when you're doing the pinks and the purples, that would be your transition. And then of course, another little pop of a shimmer of pink. So to me, this is a good mix of, like they said, cools and warms and the mattes and the shimmers. It is truly an essentials palette. So if you have this, it's really a home run. All right, so here we go. So let me just do some quick swatches so you guys see these here. That's what they look like there. And I'm just going to do them on my hand here. Like I said, the color payoff with Violet Voss to me is a win-win, and I am so in love with her eyeshadows. Anytime I see them, I usually grab them. Wow, this would have been a perfect color for this top. All right, so that's the fifth one there. I'm wiping on a simple facial wipe and a dry towel right beside it, and then I'm just going to do the last 4 here, and then I got one more, which is the black, which we'll do at the end. So those are those colors there, and we got one more, and that's the final one there. So here's the black, and the black is even beautiful. So like I said, this is an absolute perfect palette. It is an essential palette. It is one that I use, so keep your eyes open for a giveaway in the future, because this palette will be in there, and I am so excited to be able to share this with one of you guys. All right, once again, everybody, I appreciate so much that you take some time out of your day to spend it with me here. If you enjoy my content, I really would appreciate if you left me a thumbs up, because it is so important that you do that for me on the YouTube platform, because YouTube has informed us that with those thumbs up, they will then put my videos in front of other people that haven't found my channel yet. So I do appreciate so much that you guys do that for me. Also, please leave a note down in the comments if you've received a base box from BoxyCharm, or if any of the products that I've mentioned are ones that you've tried. I love when we all share with each other in the comments. I use it for myself, but I know others have been enjoying it too. So thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate so much that you guys take time out of your day to spend it with me here. But what's most important is that everybody continues to stay safe and stay well. And I will see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.